How to upload an image in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will talk about uploading images in Shopify. Now, this could mean many different things, so I'll show you as much as possible when it comes to uploading images. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing is going to be, in general, if you wanted to add some images to your library, this way you can use them later on in the future by, for your products, for your site editor, whatever it may be. You can just go ahead and start adding images to your Shopify library. And to do so, it's very simple. You want to just log in into your Shopify admin. And then from here, you just want to click on the content tab that is right below the customers tab. Click on that one, and then you just want to go for files. And once you click on files, you basically want to click on upload files from the top right. And here you can feel free to upload any type of image that you want. For example, I'm just going to upload this green one. And now we have our image uploaded, or it is still uploading, but you get the idea. And now if we just want to insert it on a product, it's going to be a lot easier for us. So we don't have to upload it again. We can just find it in our library. Now, what if you want to upload media for a product? Now, there are going to be two different cases. One is a pre-existing product that you already have. In that case, you just want to click on it. And then from here, you will find the first image. If you don't have it, you can just click on, under the media section, you can just find add media. So just go and click on that. And if you don't see it, you can just go and click on the plus icon if you already have an image in here. And now, as you can see, we have the green one, which we just uploaded previously, is now available in here. And if you want, you can just go in and click on add media to even add further more images, or I should say even more images. So feel free to choose whichever image that you want and click on save. And now if you want to add a new product, it's also going to be almost the same way. You just click on add product, you add the information needed, and then from media you will find upload new. And you can just feel free to upload whichever image that you want. Or if you click on select existing, it's going to be opening up the library which we just talked about, which is in the content tab right here in the admin. Now, next up, we are going to move on into the online store section. So in here, if you just go ahead and click on customize, basically, if you wanted to add a simple image to your template here, or to your home page, whatever page it actually may be, you can just basically add a section here at the bottom left. You will find template, and then you just want to click on add section. And then from here, you can just go in and add image with banner, image with text, and there are also different things that can include images. So we can just go in and add image with text, for example. And if you just click on that, we can actually add an image. So in here, we can just go and click on select image, and we can just select from existing, our library, or just click on upload new files. Now, lastly, is going to be replacing any image that you find. For example, for this one, this is a slider. So in this case, we want to replace this image. So we would want to find the slideshow for it. Click on image slide, and then we can just go in and again select image and use this one. So this is all for this video. I hope that you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching. And by the way, this is going to change a little bit. It does sometimes take a little bit of time, but like I was saying, thanks for watching.